result is lower than 10,000 in both the searches. It's considered to be good channel name. Lower the search result, better the channel name is and branding of your channel. First thing is first. We need to create a Google account. If you already have a personal Google account, you can make YouTube channel in that account. It's your wish. But it is recommended to make a new Google account for better privacy concerns. Fill up the form. Instead of giving mobile number, give your old email address or fake email address. If you don't have email address, you can make use of Chrome extension called Temp Mail. I am recommending this trick for those who don't have phone number to verify Google account. Now click on Next. If you are lucky enough, Google won't ask for phone number verification, but in rare cases they might ask for phone number verification. But I fucked them. I am damn lucky. Now fuck that Continue button. Fuck that Next button till it breaks. Now Google account is made. Now let's see how to create personal YouTube channel. Click on this bitch and click on this bitch. Now log into your Google account by clicking in the top right corner. Then click on Switch Account and click on Add Account if your account is not showing. Now select Google account and enter password. Now click on top right corner and select Creator Studio. Now fuck here to create a personal YouTube channel. Fill up and click on Create Channel. Now your personal channel is made. Now here comes a trick. We want to create a brand channel instead of this fucking personal channel. Brand channel has more features than this, which can be very handy and useful in the future. Now click on top right corner and click on gear icon on the right. Click on Create New Channel. Here we can make brand channels up to 15, I guess. And we can also name our channel one word name. Type a one-word channel name and click on Create button. Now your brand channel is made. If you click on the top right corner, you can see both the brand channel and personal channel. You can switch to either of the channel here easily. Now we will verify our new brand channel. Click on Creator Studio. Then click on Channel and then click on Verify button. If you already used your number to verify YouTube channel before, then use the option called Call Me with the automated voice message. You can use previously used same number to verify this channel on this option. I will make video on how to verify YouTube channel without phone number in my coming videos. Attend the call and enter the number you hear and click Submit. Your brand YouTube channel is successfully verified. Now we will enable monetization. Click on Enable and follow my steps. At any time when the redirection hangs or stucks, then auto-refresh the page. Fuck all start buttons and all next buttons and all tick buttons. Fuck all. Just follow my steps. It's easy. Select your new Google account. Fill up the address and this can be changed later. Don't worry. Just fuck it. And proceed to next step. Now your monetization is enabled. By this you can earn money by placing ads. But this feature will be active after reaching 10,000 views only. After reaching 10,000 views, it will be auto-verified and monetize will begin by placing ads automatically. Now we will enable live streaming. Just click on enable and it's done. Other features will be enabled only after some eligibility criterias. Now your brand channel is made. Now you can start uploading videos.